your energy. And it's just a dark cloud over a lot of people's lives, even on the sunniest of days. But your joint pain does not have to rob you of your life or your happiness. Because at Rejuvenex, we can alleviate your pain, and that can rejuvenate.
We're going to rotate our skis, we're going to rock and roll this, we're going to move this corner here. They're not just going to be able to rush for and get pressure. That's just something they haven't been able to do all year. They weren't able to do it against Caleb Williams. And Caleb Williams.
I'll talk about that. I'll talk about alleviating fear, anxiety, and stress with a new pheromone product. And I will be kind of working for you, actually, also, as I get the signed copies of my new book.
Rasny.com. That's Rasny.com.
Business news at 8:53 from Bloomberg. Here is Denise Pellegrini.
Hollywood's box office may gain steam this year. Stephanie. Go get my college and get nativepath.com/Stephanie.
Do you have a car sitting around you want to get rid of? Then here's a great idea. Donate your car and help veterans and their families. Yes, one fast call to the Veteran Car Donation Program and we'll come and remove your car for free. Fast, free towing.
Is that really true? Are we a bunch of murderers and rapists, Mom?
Brian, way to go, Tom.
Well,
Tom Hush.
gotta know your family lineage, don't you?
Tom Hush is a jackass.
Apparently, in that,
That'll make us feel better about, some of the other options that we got football. Little T-Tech and start thinking about the Orange Bowl and so much more.
You know what's great about that is I picked Texas Tech to go to the. It's Rock 96 and 101.1. Visually, whether they're the same or not. Soul or would make a fine banana. I go to Florida and get oranges in Florida because they are so. Shooting murder of that is the one that's most recent, but because the charges you do got this NyQuil intense flu. Can't sleep with the flu? Medicine. Use a directed keep better.
I'm dead.
Well, you know.
Fun way.
Our country's 250th birthday in July. From our family to yours, our best wishes for the holiday and Happy New Year.
Warning, the national debt is spiraling out of control. Trade wars are causing record volatility. And tariffs could cause inflation to make a devastating comeback. Are you ready for what more 2025 can bring?
left untreated puts you at higher risk of dementia. Good sleep is vital for brain health in many ways, according to the lead researcher. Sleep helps clear the synapses you don't need, so your brain isn't overloaded. Research.
Jason Crosby Show with Mitch Thunder Nellis.
You know, almost to the point that you're talking about the podcast or wherever you get your podcast.
Hi, I'm Lisa Briggs, one of your indoor and outdoor living experts at the Bruce Company. Each Monday morning, we offer tips to care for your indoor plants.
Friday on Insight for Living. You've been listening to Insight for Living with Chuck Swindoll. Insight for Living relies on the faithful listener.
With a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened.
Slowly, I learned how to live with it better. Early intervention, lifetime difference. Learn the signs at autismspeaks.org.
Symptoms of anxiety and depression every year. But help is available because there may only be you, but you don't have to do it alone. Head to mentalhealthcareworks.org. That's mentalhealthcareworks.org to learn how to get the support you deserve. Because mental health care works.
Breast cancer or stage 4 breast cancer happens when cancer spreads beyond the breast to other parts of the body. But unless the cells
Well, I keep on trying.